This is 60 square meter apartment owned by our subscriber, Stelios. He wants to renovate his old apartment's interior, but he's having a hard time organizing and redesign the space. Therefore, we are here to help him. We're going to design him apartment using Modern Minimalist look. Let's get started. This is Stelios' current layout in his apartment in Redesigned, Crete. He lives alone in an old apartment building with a 2-bedroom and 1-bathroom layout. But he's struggling to organize his living and dining areas, and he's unsure how to optimize the space to make it functional and inviting. The current setup of the living and dining areas feels cluttered and disconnected from the design vision, so we'll be giving it a complete makeover. The kitchen area also feels too cramped and doesn't align with the minimalist design he wants, so we'll reconfigure the space to enhance its flow and functionality. For the flooring, he wants to use a Makeover Treverkmood Faggio tiles, which perfectly align with the interior style he's aiming for. Lastly, his ceiling will be upgraded to unify the design and align with the modern minimalist theme. Our goal here is to maximize the space and create a layout that is both practical and visually cohesive. Now that we've carefully analyzed his space and identified the challenges, it's time to dive into our design solutions and bring his vision to life. Since he has a large space, we'll first feature his living, dining, working, and kitchen areas. So stay tuned for part 2 of Stelios' space, where we'll explore his 2 bedrooms and the toilet and bath. Let's now proceed to our planning process by rearranging his current layout by using a bubble diagram. This is the current floor plan. Looking at it, we can still make the most of his space by moving his dining area here. We will move his living area here, then incorporating a working area right next to it. For the kitchen, it will remain to its original location. Let's start by applying this to our 3D model, beginning with the flooring. We'll be using the flooring he preferred, a Makeover Treverkmood Faggio tiles in a 15 by 90 centimeter size. This flooring is a great fit for a modern minimalist interior. It has a reclaimed wood look that provides a natural texture that complements minimalist interiors. It also enhances a minimalist aesthetic by adding warmth without overwhelming the simplicity of the space. We'll be using the same tiles in the bedrooms, as he prefers a seamless, continuous look throughout his apartment. This choice enhances flow and unity, making each space feel connected. For the walls, we retained the original color, using an off-white shade throughout the apartment, including the bedrooms. This choice perfectly complements the modern minimalist style he's aiming for. By using a single shade across all areas, we achieved a cohesive, harmonious feel that connects each room seamlessly. Now let's move on at the living area. The design here focuses on modern minimalist principles, with a clean, organized layout that brings warmth and texture into the space. We added light-finished wall panels with subtle vertical grooves. These panels add texture without overpowering the minimalist style, bringing visual interest and enhance the space's modern vibe. Next, the sofa. It's a sectional upholstered in a soft off-white fabric. This sofa complements the room's neutral palette, keeping the space light and airy. In front of it is a coffee table that has a minimalist round design with a natural wood top and slender black metal legs. This piece combines warmth and simplicity, echoing the natural tones throughout the room and providing a functional yet unobtrusive surface for decor or books, paired seamlessly with a textured rug, creating a cozy yet understated vibe. This curtains at the sliding door are sheer off-white fabric, allowing natural light to diffuse gently into the room, keeping the atmosphere bright and open, while still providing some privacy. Moving at the TV wall, we've combined functionality with style. The wall is clad with vertical wooden slats, adding a sense of rhythm and subtle texture to the space. The slats are accented by warm LED strip lighting, which gives the area a gentle glow and enhances the room's ambiance. We also incorporated a floating console beneath the TV, with a sleek, minimalist design that keeps the look clean and clutter-free. This combination of wood textures and soft lighting strikes the perfect balance, giving the living area a sophisticated and cohesive appearance. We integrated a sleek track lighting system, with LED strips into the ceiling, extending seamlessly into the dining and working spaces. This design provides uniform illumination and enhances the clean, modern aesthetic, while maintaining a cohesive flow throughout the connected areas. Next, let's explore his dining area. This space is designed to be both elegant and functional. We added a plain wall panel. This highlights the modern minimalist aesthetic of this space. The clean lines and neutral tones create a seamless backdrop, while the subtle lighting detail adds a touch of elegance. Adding the dining table, it features a marble look surface, providing a sophisticated touch without overpowering the space. The subtle veining in the marble finish complements the neutral palette, creating a luxurious yet understated backdrop for meals. This dining chair is upholstered in a soft, neutral fabric with light wood legs, blending perfectly with the light wood accents throughout the room. This choice ties in seamlessly with the open layout, allowing the dining area to flow effortlessly into the living space. Also, a small vase with greenery on the table brings a touch of nature, softening the overall look and adding freshness to the dining space. We added an abstract art piece framed with LED backlighting serves as a subtle focal point. The lighting emphasizes the artwork, adding depth and drawing the eye without overwhelming the minimalist design. Finally, above the table, we've installed a modern pendant light that hangs gracefully from the existing beam. Its sleek black frame and soft round globes cast a warm glow over the dining area, adding an elegant finishing touch that enhances the room's ambiance and brings the entire space together. This dining area is a harmonious blend of modern elements and minimalist design, creating a functional yet inviting environment that reflects the style of the entire home. Moving to his working area, we optimized the space behind the column by transforming it into functional workstation. This setup allows him to have a dedicated work zone without taking up unnecessary room, a smart solution for maximizing every square inch in this minimalist layout. The desk itself has a minimalist built-in design that extending seamlessly from the shelving and finished in a sleek white surface. This clean look keeps the area uncluttered and visually aligns with the rest of the room's modern minimalist style. Behind the desk, vertical wood slats creating a warm backdrop, adding subtle texture, and enhancing the space's visual depth without disrupting the compact layout. To fully utilize this space, we added custom shelving above the desk, perfect for storing books and displaying decorative items, all within easy reach. The shelves are accented with soft built-in LED lighting, illuminating the display and adding a warm glow that complements the workspace's ambiance. This sleek modern chair blends style and comfort, featuring a matte finish seat and sturdy black metal legs. Its clean lines and minimalist design make it a perfect fit for any modern workspace. For privacy and visual separation, we installed a ribbed glass partition with a black metal frame. This glass not only divides the space, but also allows natural light to pass through, keeping the workspace bright and open while providing some privacy from the adjacent living area. For a finishing touch, LED strip lighting is integrated along the edges of the glass partition, adding a soft glow that enhances the modern aesthetic and keeps the workspace well lit for any time of day. Together, these elements create a highly efficient, stylish, and inspiring space for productivity within his modern minimalist home. Now, let's move on to the kitchen area, where every detail has been carefully crafted to align with the principles of modern minimalist design, blending functionality with effortless style. Starting with the L-shaped countertop, we choose a stunning waterfall edge with a seamless marble finish. The natural veining in the marble adds character, while its smooth, durable surface makes it perfect for his everyday cooking and prep needs. For the backsplash, we selected a subtle gray tile to add texture and depth without overpowering the overall design. It's a practical and beautiful choice, complementing the marble tones of the countertop and making cleanup simple. We used a matte finish cabinets designed to enhance the minimalist aesthetic with their clean, handle-free look. The soft finish reduces glare while maintaining a sleek, contemporary feel. We also introduced open shelving into the design, balancing functionality with a touch of personal style. These shelves are perfect for displaying his curated decor, pottery, or everyday essentials. To enhance functionality and ambience, we incorporated LED strip lighting under the cabinets and shelves. This warm lighting creates a welcoming glow, making meal prep easier and adding a cozy feel, especially in the evenings. Appliances like the refrigerator and double oven are seamlessly integrated into the custom-built cabinetry, allowing the space looking sleek and cohesive, with no bulky appliances disrupting the minimalist flow. The finishes on the appliances add just the right amount of contrast to the neutral tones around them. To maximize space, we added cabinetry and open shelving extending from the built-in cabinets. The open shelves with soft LED lighting are perfect for displaying plates, glasses, or decor, while the closed cabinets provide extra storage for less used items. To bring life into the space, we added minimalist planters with greenery. These plants provide a refreshing natural touch, softening the neutral tones and giving the kitchen a sense of warmth and vibrancy. The air conditioning unit is discreetly placed above the shelving, ensuring that the space stays comfortable, while blending seamlessly into the design. Its placement keeps it functional without interfering with the overall minimalist look. For the lighting, we incorporated 3 strategically placed pin lights in the kitchen ceiling, providing focused illumination, ensuring every corner of the space is well lit while enhancing the clean, modern aesthetic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tip.